We are now going to take a look at J-Score in action. Using one of the pre-populated events, we are going to create a new knockout, assign it to a tatami, and then use J-Score to begin fighting it. Select the Event Manager button. We are then given a dialog to select the event we wish to manage. Select the event, then select brackets. Next we are presented with a dialog where we can select the individual or team category to create or view an existing knockout. We have selected the women's over 78 kilograms category. A knockout is already in progress for this category. Since this is just a demonstration, we are going to delete this knockout and create a new one. We now need to select the brackets button again, select the category, and then select our preferred format for the knockout. There are options, for example, to have a straight knockout with no repechage. We will select 16-way double knockout. We are now presented with a dialog to select the default tatami for this knockout. Once selected, all contests for this knockout will be automatically allocated to the tatami from within the J-Score application, and there will be no need to use J-Score Manager to change the tatami allocation. However, this is easily overridden, for example if the final or semi-finals are to take place on a different tatami, by using with work allocation function in J-Score Manager. We have now created a new knockout that can be fought using J-Score. So let's fire up J-Score and begin fighting the knockout. Select the magnifying glass icon, which searches for a J-Score network server. If J-Score finds a server, we can then select the required event. J-Score can now natively handle BJJ or judo events. Depending on which type of event is selected, different scoreboard skins are available, and presented under the screen style image. We are going to select our judo event, and tatami 1, as we set this as the default tatami for our over 78 kilograms category. We will now have the first round contests available to be selected. Clicking on the screen type image presents a dialog where we can select our preferred scoreboard skin. We will select the new Japanese blue-white skin. Next we will drag and drop the available work to the selected work box, then click Proceed. This will open up the J-Score scoreboard console. It's probably worth mentioning that J-Score requires two screens, set up in extended desktop mode. One for the control console, and one for the actual scoreboard display. So now we will start the contest. Switch the video to the scoreboard screen, and watch what happens as penalties and scores are awarded. The contest has been won by the white player, by hold down for Ippon. On the console, the operator is presented with a dialog to select the win type. J-Score has already pre-selected hold as the win type, but this can be overridden if required. If we return back to J-Score Manager, select the knockout, then click Refresh. We can see that the next round is populated. Clicking on the contest allows us to use the contest editor, which can be used should any result need amending. I hope that this video has been useful. Thanks for watching.